Solahart, Australian leading brand for over 70 years, provide solution for residential and commercial hot water. This Solahart storage water heater come with Cube and Slim series. Both have capacity of 30 litres. Single unit of storage water heater can be used in multi-usage such as shower, kitchen and basin. The installation of Solahart storage water heater is not limited above the ceiling, it can also be installed in bathroom and balcony. For better lifespan and in superior performance, Solahart storage water heater comes with advanced technology and enhanced efficiency, ensuring long-lasting reliability and optimal results. The inner tank of Solahart storage water heater have blue enamel lining which is anti-corrosion and can withstand high pressure to prolong the system lifespan.
Stainless steel can, in fact, rust and corrode if continuously exposed to harsh water conditions over time.
The single weld tank minimize the vulnerability and reduce water leakage risk. The Incalloy 840 heating element has excellent ability to resist both oxidation and carbonization in high temperature settings. This Incalloy heating element offers superior heating performance even in poor water quality. High-density PU foam is 25% thicker than normal insulation design, for excellent heat retention and greatly reduce heating time. The wall flow design allow rapid heating and optimized energy-saving effect. This is because the Solahart hot inlet diffuser avoids immediate direct contact between cold and hot water. Isolation barrier is used to prevent electric shocks in the incident of current leakage. Water resistance IP24 can protect storage water heater against water splashes. For extra peace of mind, Solahart storage water heater come with 8 years tank warranty and 2 years parts warranty.